Let's create a pixel stretch effect using Photoshop. At first, you create a workspace with these settings. Remove the background layer of the image and then convert to smart objects. Drag the image right to the main workspace. Choose the single column marquee tool and make a selection. After making the selection, press Ctrl J to make a copy. Then press Ctrl T to scale and adjust the selection you have made. Then go to Filter and follow the settings. Press Ctrl T and hold the Shift button to scale and adjust. Create a layer mask on the circular layer and move to the brush tool. Choose the Add Round brush and make sure the foreground color is black. So I would like to create a drop shadow and change the background. Follow these little adjustments I'm about to make on the circular layer.